At the office, you have everything set up for you. You have your own desk, chair, and computer. At feel mo talaga that you are in a place of work, so kailangan mong mag-focus and give your A-game every day. At home, it's a different picture. Maraming distractions, and for others, they don't have the resources to have their own home office. But worry no more, we can help you turn that little corner at home into your own corner for working. Here's the work from home setup that will set you up for success and productivity, even though you're not in the office.
First, find a good spot. Dapat, nakaset up ang makeshift home office mo sa lugar kung saan malayo ka sa distractions kagaya ng noise. As much as possible, don't set up your workspace near your bed. Not only will this help you to minimize the distraction to doze off, but it will also give you a sense of boundary. Meaning, alam mo kung saan ang for work and for relaxation. It's also a must na yung workspace mo has good lighting. Overhead lighting such as ceiling lamps work, pero the best pa rin when you let natural light in. Second, invest in an ergonomic chair and desk. You will spend a great deal of time sitting down to work. Kaya naman to avoid back pain and to make sure you're maintaining good posture and relax while working, use an ergonomic chair. It doesn't have to be expensive. Ang importante, it has adjustable height and proper back support. Third, have a file cabinet or file stacker. Working remotely doesn't mean zero paper. Minsan, meron pa rin tayong physical documents that we need to keep. And what better way to safe keep important documents than to have a file stacker or file cabinet?
These tips are not only for those who are working from home, but also for students taking online classes. Tandaan, when you prep yourself, you also set yourself up for success. I am Nicolette Henson Hizon. Join us daily here and on our official Facebook account, CLTV36, and YouTube account, CLTV36 Official, as we give you tips to live every day beyond style.